Quizzes have taken the world by storm, as they are highly interactive and people love completing them because they are fun, exciting, and they get to know more about themselves. Quizzes often go viral as people share them like crazy with their network. That's why more and more brands use quiz funnels in their marketing. Quiz funnels are a form of sales funnels based on a series of questions that take prospects into a fun and short journey to identify their needs and provide solutions tailored to their situation. My friend and partner Ryan Levesque, Inc. 500 CEO of the Ask method, has already helped thousands of brands implement his quiz funnel methodology. And Ryan is hosting a live 6-part workshop training starting on Monday, June 14. In this live training, you learn how to build effective and highly interactive quizzes that people want to complete. And you'll discover why quizzes work so well and how to use them in any industry and market, common mistakes people make when building quizzes and how to avoid them, and how to convert quiz takers into buyers, the 3 primary quiz frameworks, and the 6 steps to building your quiz. You are also getting access to some amazing digital downloads, the quiz funnel templates and diagrams, real-life case studies, the step-by-step quiz funnel blueprint, a big idea workbook, and a list of 100 quiz funnel ideas, and a peek into the software that creates quizzes with ease and speed.
Right now, you can get your hands on my full quiz funnel blueprint. This is a 25-page downloadable PDF that gives you the entire quiz funnel map all in one place. In fact, this is the exact process that I followed myself to build quiz funnels in 23 different markets, to build multiple 7-figure businesses and become a #1 national best-selling author and an Inc. 500 CEO. All you need to do is just click the link with this video to download the full blueprint that you see right here in front of me for free. Now, once you've checked out this quiz funnel blueprint, you might still have some questions. Like, for example, what exactly does a quiz funnel look like? Is a quiz funnel right for my business? How do I know about what my quiz should be about? Well, I'm gonna be diving into all these questions and more on a special once-a-year free quiz funnel workshop that I'm hosting very, very soon. In fact, if you wanna find out more about how to implement quiz funnels in your business, all you need to do is just click the link with this video to get instant access both to this blueprint that you see right here, and I'll also put you on the priority notification list once we go live and kick off this free quiz funnel workshop training. All right, I'm gonna leave you with that for now. Go ahead and do this now, and I look forward to seeing you inside.
I invite you to join us for the free quiz funnel workshop series to discover the amazing power of quiz funnels and what they can do for your business. So sign up using the button below, and I look forward to seeing you at the event.